So today we got this battery charger, and it is basically battery charger and maintainer. It's for 6 volt and 12 volt batteries. It's 5 amps. I shouldn't get less than 5 amps. Like I could have got 3 amps, but then it wouldn't charge the battery. That's 100 ampere hours. So this one is 5 amps, and that will charge up to 120 ampere hours batteries. Because some of them are lower amps, like 2, 3, and they wouldn't go. They could maintain the battery, but they wouldn't charge up to 100 ampere hour batteries, which is fairly big battery. So there is the charger, that's the power, regular plug, and that's the connection. That is the cables. So we'll see how that works. This was supposed to be good quality. We'll see about that, if it's good. It's supposed to charge regular lead acid batteries, AGM or lithium. Got option 12 volt or 6 volt. There is a mode to change the settings. Anyway, that's for this. So here I'm charging battery on AUDI A8 D3. So I put negative on negative. So that black lamp, that's on negative, that's on a post, and the red one is on a positive. This battery looks like it's for 4 years, and there is a sticker. Not sure if you can see that. 2019. There. So today's 2023. So 19 and 4 is 23. It's October 2023, so I don't know if this battery is any good. Either way, I'm gonna try to recharge it, and in this case you don't need to take it out because I'm charging with a low charger. It's a 5 amps charger. That's a slow charger, so you can keep the battery there. If it's fast charger, you have to take it out so you don't cook it. And I'll check sometimes if it's boiling. I just started, so that's the situation. The charger, it's here, and it's hard to get in here in the garage, but so I selected 12 volts regular battery, not lithium or not AGM. The red light is slowly going on and off, so that represents the condition of the battery is, according to this book, it's less than 25%. So I could still start the car, but everything else was shutting down. So I don't drive the car often, so let's see if we can charge this battery and if it's gonna hold, or if I have to get a new battery. Also, I don't drive the car often, so I'm gonna keep charge on. Once this will charge, I'll keep it on for the winter. So that's to be continued. So here we are. I came back sometime later. Looks like 25% LED is solid, so that should be charged. 25% now. The LED 50% is slowly on and off. That's what it's supposed to do. So right now it's less than 50% charged. And that red LED is flashing or slowly going on and off. So here we have passing green. So you went through first LED, which is 25%, second LED is 50%, the orange one, the third one, is up to 75%, so that's completed. So solid green pulsing, its bulk of the charge is completed, so we're just gonna wait for when the green will turn solid. Solid green will be the battery's charge 100%. Right now it's still pulsing slowly. Somehow this kind of went fairly fast. I thought it's gonna be hours and hours, but so far the charge has been hooked up to battery at probably hour or less than hour, and it's almost charged. And it's a 5 amp charger there. There's the 5. 12 volt. So it's all correct. The charger is it's a little bit hot, but not hot, a little bit warm. So let's cut it and wait for the solid green, hopefully. So today is November 1st, so this is next day. So the battery was charged, and I went to mode button and pressed it, hold it for 3 seconds and selected so that's a 12 volt repair. This is supposed to be advanced battery recovery mode for repairing, restoring batteries. So once this is selected, the red LED will illuminate and flash. So this is basically going now, repairing the battery after it was charged. Yeah, that's number 7. In the manual, LED will illuminate and flash, so that's what's happening right now, and it's in red. So this is supposed to take up to 4 hours and then goes to standby. So we'll wait again. Let's see what this is gonna do. So I'm back at the charger. So what happened? So this recharger was repairing battery. So that 12 volt was flashing at all the time, and now it switched to standby. So that repair is complete. So I can go back now to maintain the battery. So we recharged it and we repaired it with this item. So that's how it works. It appears it works pretty good. So I put it back for 12 volt trickle. This should be maintaining. So the first window was 25%. The second window, E, red is 50%. And now it's orange at 75%. Done. And now green is 100%. I'm putting back the maintenance selection, and right now it's maintaining, so it appears the battery is not too bad. So now it's just maintaining, so it goes 5 amps to the battery slowly. So it looks like everything worked okay.